Hi everybody, back out doing a little bit more field testing on the Brother Hobby Speed Shield 2207.5 3400 kV motor. Today on a 6x3 EMP 2-blade prop and still on 3S. So here we go. Certainly louder than the, well, I guess different, just a different sound than the 3-blade. Definitely got better hole shot acceleration, you know, as you would expect with a 2-blade prop over a 3-blade prop. On the bench, I don't remember the exact numbers. Over 100 more grams of thrust at full throttle. I do definitely think it's faster, and in fact, I think it's more efficient. I think it drew about 4 amps less, but I'll have the link to my motor test spreadsheet in the video description down below. It certainly rips, and it's definitely, you know, definitely faster than GEP RC InPower 2306 2750 motor with this prop. Still, again, you know, amp hungry. I think it's around 53 amps at full throttle, but you know, again, I didn't buy this thing for efficiency. Yeah, baby. Yeah, so it is louder. I can hear, I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but I can hear the echo coming off the trees, which okay, we'll get her set up here and do a full G high-speed turn. There we go. Yeah, she rips right out. You know, again, I'm surprised that this motor doesn't seem to be laboring or bogging down. You know, even with the insanely high kV. Park jet noise, the other sound of freedom, baby. Fortunately, there's no wind today like there was the day that I was first testing with the Dalprop Cyclone 5050, so pretty much equal speed runs going both directions here. Okay, there's the alarm. One more rip. Victor roll on climb out. All right. Here we go. Yeah, it's cool here today, so nice dense air to float on there. All right, so let's check it for heat buildup. Like I said, I think when I got to the field here this morning, it was only about 3 degrees Celsius, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Yeah, so the motor's warm, definitely cooler than it was with the Dalprop 5050. Speed controller is a bit warm. Battery's no problem, no heat whatsoever. These Gens Ace batteries, a little bit more expensive than ones I've used in the past, but definitely worth every penny. So yeah, folks, so there you go. So yeah, overall, like I said, little bit faster, little bit more efficient. You know, you can't be unhappy with that. But you know, it is a bit noisier. I'll have to see. You know, I'm a bit concerned how warm this motor is on 3S with that prop, if I'm going to be able to safely run it on 4S without cooking the motor. But anyway, I should also mention that, you know, just flying around, I mean, obviously in these, I shorten up these video flights because you know, you can only watch so many high-speed passes before you get bored. But I have reduced my flight time by probably about 15 or 20 seconds anyway, compared to, you know, the Gep RC, RC InPower, those other beastie motors, just because, you know, it is, even at mid-range, it's drawing quite a few more amps than those two motors. But yeah, like I said, didn't buy it for efficiency, bought it for some speed, and it definitely has that. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, folks. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise, yeah, the sound of freedom, baby. Take care.